Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your Cubot Max 3. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here find the app called Microsoft Edge. And install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization, set up for data sharing preferences. Now let's open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.